New York City motorcycle accident lawsuits can be worth millions of dollars. And the reason being is because when you're riding a motorcycle, you're exposed to the elements. So even a small accident where a car could just minimally touch or impact the motorcycle can cause that motorcycle to flip over, and then the rider can sustain road rash or other serious injuries. In evaluating how much a motorcycle rider can win in a lawsuit, we have to look at two factors. Number one, we have to look at who was at fault. And our job representing motorcycle riders is always to prove that the other vehicles involved in the accident were to blame. Maybe it was a bus, a private vehicle, it could be a commercial vehicle or a box truck or even a tractor trailer. And we put the blame on the other vehicles after having done a complete investigation, going to the scene, taking photographs, working with experts including liability experts, engineering, safety, accident reconstruction experts. We of course speak with the motorcyclist and get the detailed version from him or her about how the accident happened. And in litigating these cases, we've had very successful results. One motorcycle accident case we recently handled involved a lady who was a passenger on the back of a motorcycle. When a vehicle changed lanes, just minimally touching the motorcycle veered off course, and there was also some debris in the roadway where the tire hit it and the motorcycle flipped over and she fell and she sustained severe road rash. And we had photos of the road rash that she sustained, and we filed a lawsuit against the company that was doing construction that left the debris in the roadway, as well as the vehicle that made an improper and unsafe lane change. And we were able to recover the entire policy limit from the automobile, and we were also able to recover a substantial amount of additional compensation from the construction company. So altogether, we settled the case for close to $500,000, and we were happy that we were able to help this client who was severely injured being a passenger on a motorcycle. Even if you have $1 million lawsuit after a motorcycle accident, the insurance company is not just going to pay that out. So you really need a good law firm to do a complete investigation, to do thorough litigation by filing the lawsuit, conducting in-depth discovery, finding out who was at fault, and coordinating your medical care so that you go to the right doctors, you get all of your medical issues resolved, and then using all of that evidence, including medical expert testimony, to prove and maximize your damages in a court of law. That way, your case can be worth $1 million or even more than that.